Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to email a single page in OneNote. This is a great way to share specific notes or information with colleagues, classmates, or clients without sending your entire notebook. Let's walk through the process step by step. Start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app and load into your notebook. Once you're in, navigate to the specific page you want to email. This is important because OneNote will only send the page you currently have open, so make sure you're viewing the right one before proceeding to the next steps. Once your notebook is loaded and you're on the page you want to share, look at the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. From here, click on the Home tab. This tab contains most of the common actions you'll need for working with your notes, including formatting options, tagging tools, and sharing features. The Home tab is your go-to spot for everyday OneNote tasks. From the Home tab, you'll directly see an option labeled Email Page. Go ahead and click on it. This is the key feature that allows you to send individual pages without exporting or saving them separately. Depending on your setup and your email provider, a Microsoft Outlook window will appear with the page already attached in an email composer. This integration makes the whole process seamless and saves you from having to manually export and attach files. Your page content will be ready to go, formatted and attached automatically. All you need to do now is add in the subject line and the recipients for your page email. Take a moment to write a clear subject that describes what you're sending and add the email addresses of the people you want to share this information with. You can also add any additional message or context in the body of the email if needed. And that's it. You've successfully emailed a single page from OneNote directly through Outlook. This feature is incredibly useful for quickly sharing notes, meeting minutes, or project details without the hassle of exporting files or sending entire notebooks. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.